Okay, so today we're going to show you a quick use for the four-step pads. Typically use them for face polishing, but a common issue that we see in the field are on these miter where the waterfalls. They're typically dull because they're polished in the field, typically using resin pads, and you don't have that water feed there, so they dry up and tend to burn the surface. So four-step pads come in really handy for that, because once they are wet, they stay wet, so you can do this type of vertical polishing. This is a very quick one. It's very, it's a little dull, just pretty subtle. So we're going to use one pad for this. This is going to be a, 1 minute fix. You can see we've got some dullness back here. And I'm just going to hit it with a three-step pad and we'll be done. So pretty quick, great use for a four-step pad.